Hey there! Your building needs to be safe and strong in an earthquake, and Quake Strong is here to handle your entire seismic retrofitting process, from financing, engineering, and tenant management to plan check, permits, and cost recovery. And of course, constructing a safe, strong retrofitting solution to bring your building into compliance with the law. Get your complimentary building assessment now. Call 1-833-QUAKE-STRONG or visit quakestrong.com. Make your building Quake Strong.